Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
I will show the only way to weapon master in Bgmi, step by step. Commit to focused practice with measurable goals and daily time targets. Do this for at least 20 matches or 30 minutes per day to improve your muscle memory. Focus on one gun class at a time and stick with it for 7 days. Use 5 key attachments to tune handling, recoil, and range specifically for that firearm. Track your hit rate aiming for steady gains, near 60% accuracy over sessions. Start each session with a 10-minute warm-up in training to calibrate aim. Warm up in training for 10 minutes with movement and 100 target shots from 10 to 50 meters. Practice recoil with 50 burst tests and 30 single-fire tests every session, adjusting attachments after each set. Record vertical and horizontal spread numbers to guide small attachment tweaks. Play live ranked or classic matches for 20 matches while applying controlled spray and tap patterns under real pressure. Review clips and correct 1 mistake per day. Adopt tactical habits that reinforce the only way and reduce variables in practice. Use sensitivity tiers that suit your device. For example, hip at 30, adds at 18, scope at 12 for steady control. Use one loadout and avoid swapping guns mid-session to build consistent feel and recoil patterns. Upgrade or change one component each day, like muzzle then grip, and measure the difference in 50-shot tests. Review 2 saved clips daily and isolate timing errors to fix muscle memory and decision speed.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.